Let's now turn our attention to the terror attack in Jammu and Kashmir's Rajouri. A 4-year-old boy was killed. Terrorists hurled grenades at a BJP leader's house also last evening. The BJP Mandal president and 5 of his family members have also been grievously injured. Officials said the grenade was thrown on the rooftop. Now, the attack is the latest in a series of attacks on politicians in Jammu and Kashmir. Locals in Rajouri also took to the streets to protest.
In fact, just 4 days back, we saw that how Ghulam Rasool Dar and his wife was killed by terrorists in Lal Chowk area and Anantnag. And tonight, terrorists struck up in this Rajouri town. And here, BJP leader Jasbir Singh house was targeted. I am at a place and let me show you here how the impact of the grenade explosion. The grenade was lobbed, it hit here. After that, you can see the flooding splinters. They have almost damaged the whole wall, created a small hole inside the tile. And even the family members, some of them were having a dinner at that point of time and some were about to have dinner. You can see the utensil also completely perforated. Some of the plates completely damaged. 6 people were injured. 2 of them are said to be critical, which includes 5-month-old baby. And 4-year-old boy lost life. We have got the family members. He also got injured. He was there on spot. क्या हुआ था उस वक्त?
हम यहाँ पर 7 बजे कर्फ्यू का ऐलान था कि 7 बजे से लेकर 7 बजे तक कर्फ्यू होगा। हम राजौरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के कानून के अनुसार हम खुद फौजी थे, मेरे 3 बच्चे फौजी थे, रिटायर पेंशनर थे। और
यहाँ उस समय क्या कर रहे थे?
उस समय हम अपने घर से बाहर आकर छोटे बच्चों को रोटी लाने के लिए मैं रोटी खा रहा था और बच्चा मेरे को बाजू में दर्द था, सिर में दर्द था, वो दबा रहा था। मदर उसकी छोटे बच्चे के साथ दादी खेल रही थी। दादी की पीठ पर पूरा ये ग्रेनेड फटने पर बम ब्लास्ट क्या भी हुआ है, ये फटने पर उनके अंदर अभी तक भी वो इंजर्ड के केसेस हैं।
Any terror outfit that has taken responsibility for this attack?
I have actually read it in some media groups that PAFF has claimed the responsibility. It is indeed a terror attack. When in the late evening hours, a grenade was launched, which resulted into injuries to few persons of a family, and a child subsequently succumbed to the injuries. All sections of society in Rajouri Poonch have vehemently condemned this act of terror, and the investigations are on, and we are duty bound to take it to the logical conclusion at the earliest.
So, any idea where from they came, the terrorists who had lobbed the grenade? Is he a part of any particular module, or he is an overground worker? What do you think right now?
Investigation has started. It is in the initial stage. We are working on all leads. As and when we take this investigation to the logical conclusion, we shall share it.
You think that they are trying to create a communal divide? They are trying to widen those fault lines?
Whatever the challenge is posed, we, along with the people of this area, are ready to face it and thwart any design of the enemy.
Meanwhile, a terrorist was killed and 2 security personnel were injured following an overnight encounter in Kulgam in Jammu and Kashmir. The terrorist opened fire at a BSF convoy last night. After police retaliated, he managed to escape and take shelter in a nearby building. 2 civilians were injured as well in the exchange. Huge cache of arms has also been recovered.
हम लोग पुलिस सिक्योरिटी फोर्स अलर्ट थी जब बीएसएफ की कन्वॉय आ रही थी। एक बड़ा सा जो बिल्डिंग है वहां से 2 टेररिस्ट अंधाधुंध फायरिंग शुरू किया। उसमें हमारा कोई इंजर्ड नहीं हुआ। सिक्योरिटी फोर्स ने इसको पूरा घेर लिया। इनकाउंटर जारी हुआ। रात में जीओसी विक्टर फोर्स मैं खुद वहां मॉनिटर किया। हम लोग रॉकेट लॉन्चर यूज किए। मिलिटेंट को रात में न्यूट्रलाइज कर लिए। क्योंकि रात में सर्च करना मुश्किल था, तो आज मॉर्निंग में जब सर्च किया गया तो एक पाकिस्तानी टेररिस्ट जो उस्मान कहा जाता है, पिछले 6 महीना से एक्टिव था, उसका डेड बॉडी मिला है। और वहां से बहुत सारे सामान मिला, AK-47 मैगजीन, ग्रेनेड, RPG-7 का जो रॉकेट लॉन्चर ग्रेनेड मिला है। और ये इंसिडेंट शो करता है कि कितना बड़ा हादसा करने वाला था। बहुत दिनों के बाद RPGs का सेल मिला वहां पर, और ये सिक्योरिटी फोर्स पुलिस मिल के बहुत सा बड़ा हादसा होने से बचा लिया है। मुझे अपने फोर्स पर, पुलिस पर बहुत गर्व है।
The operation has ended, and in fact the search have also ended because police is now sure that it was only the one militant who was inside this building where he has been killed, and it was properly checked by security forces, and finally the traffic on the Jammu and Srinagar National Highway has been also restored, because civilian traffic was stopped because the encounter was happening just along National Highway 44. So first of all, the traffic has been restored. The operation has already ended, and so have the search. So it was the only militant who yesterday first opened fire of convoy, which was on from Jammu to Srinagar, and near Gam district. The fire, the BSF personnel. But security forces immediately retaliated, and in fact, the spot where this militant was hiding was cordoned off by security forces, and the operation continued for more than 16 hours. And in this gun battle, one militant who was hiding inside got killed. And late last night, this operation was suspended because. The security forces did not want any kind of casualty or any kind of collateral damage to take place.